Video, I'm going to show you how to add text in Canva. Whether you're creating a social media post, a flyer, or a presentation, knowing how to add and customize text can take your designs to the next level. Start by opening your Canva project. On the left-hand toolbar, you'll see several options like templates, elements, and uploads. Click on text to get started. Canva provides a variety of pre-designed text styles, from bold headings to decorative designs, but today we'll focus on adding your own custom text. Click at a text box and a text box will appear on your canvas. Now you can type anything you want, a quote, a caption, or a headline. From here, the fun begins. A formatting toolbar appears above your canvas, letting you change the font, size, color, and style. Browse Canva's extensive font library to find the perfect match for your project. You can also adjust the size of your text box by clicking and dragging its corners or reposition it anywhere on your design. Canva's smart guides help snap your text into perfect alignment with other elements, making your layout look polished and professional. Don't forget that you can rotate your text, apply transparency, or even animate it for more dynamic designs. For extra finesse, check out the advanced text options. Adjust letter spacing, line height, or even add effects like shadows or outlines. Experimenting with bold or italic styles can also help certain words stand out. These small tweaks can make a big difference in readability and overall design balance. You can even combine multiple text boxes for layered effects, giving your design a unique, creative look. To recap, simply go to the text tool on the left, add a text box, type your text, and customize it however you like. With these steps, you can make your text visually appealing and impactful, perfectly complementing the rest of your design. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helps you confidently add amazing text to your Canva projects. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. And as always, happy designing.